Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today we will do small intestine. The small intestine is the most important part of the alimentary canal as the process of digestion and absorption is completed in it. It is approximately 6 meters long and is arranged in the form of a coil in our belly. The small intestine receives semi-digested food from the stomach. Here the food gets completely digested with the help of the digestive juices secreted from its wall and the associated digestive glands, namely liver and pancreas. Next is liver. It is the largest gland in the body, located on the right side of the upper abdomen. It is reddish brown in color and secretes bile juice. The bile juice is stored in a sac called the gallbladder, located near the liver. Whenever food reaches the small intestine, the gallbladder releases bile juice, which is carried by the bile duct into the intestine. This is the diagram of a liver. Bile juice helps in the digestion of fat. Though it is devoid of any digestive enzyme, fat being insoluble in water are present as large droplets in the food. Bile juice breaks these large droplets into smaller ones and make their digestion easier by the intestinal lipase. Next is pancreas. It is a large cream colored gland located just below the stomach. It secretes pancreatic juice and releases it into the intestine. The juice contains enzymes that act upon carbohydrates, proteins and fats. These enzymes breaks the complex food molecules down into simpler substances, although only partially. Next is intestinal glands. These secrete a digestive juice called the intestinal juice. These juice help to complete the digestion process. The enzyme present in this juice act upon the partially digested food components and convert them into the simplest soluble form. Carbohydrates convert into glucose, fat converted into fatty acid and glycerol, protein converted into amino acid. Next is absorption in the small intestine. The inner wall of the small intestine has millions of finger-like projections called villi. These villi have very thin walls and ideal structures for absorption. They also increase the surface area for the absorption. Each vilus is supplied with very fine blood vessels called capillaries. The villi absorb the digested soluble food products through their wall and passes these to the blood capillaries. The blood carries the digested food and distribute it to each part of the body for further utilization or storage. The undigested food are passed to the large intestine. Large intestine, it is approximately 1.5 meter long. It carries out no digestive function, but it only helps to absorb most of the water and the necessary salt from the undigested food, and the remaining semi-dry contents called feces passes into the last part of the intestine, that is called the rectum. The rectum stores feces until expelled from the body via anus. The expulsion of the feces is called egestion or defecation. Up to this much we will do for today. Till then, goodbye.